All right, so in this video, we're going to show you how you can save your project. You can find your project, rename it, and as well as delete the project. So this right here is Make It Now project. Let's go ahead and save it so that we can always have access to it and we don't have to search the entire Cricut library in order to find it again. So you get to a certain point in your project and you like to save it. This is how you do it. So you go ahead and up here, you see the Save button, click on it. And now we're going to go ahead and give it a name. So we're just going to call this Man Cave. And the public button right here, this will enable it to be public, meaning you can share your design with anybody. But we're going to talk about that here in another video on how you can actually do that and what are the rules behind it. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and click on Save. And now it's saving it to the cloud. It doesn't save it to your computer, it saves it to the cloud so you can access it from any computer as long as you log in. Same thing with your tablet, synced to there as well. Now, let's say we're done with this project. We'd like to open up a previous project. Well, that's very easy. Several ways to get to it. So I'll show you the quickest way. You click this, My Projects, and there is all the projects. So you simply select it, and it's going to provide you with multiple options, and you can go ahead and click on the Open, and that will replace your canvas with what that project was. All right. So that's how you can save it. And say, for example, you did a tweak on it. You need to save it again. It does not auto-save, so you can go ahead and save it. You can click Save. Okay. Now, of course, you can save multiple copies of the item. And to do that, let me go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and undo this here. Make sure that I have everything. I can go Save, Save As, and that way you're not destroying the original work. So you can create a new project here and just click on Save. But that is how you can save the project, find the project. Like I said, there are several ways that you can access your project. So another way would be here. And then you have it under here, My Projects. And then the other way is if we click here and go to Home, you can sort of see your projects are already on the home page. You can just click View All and you'll be able to see them here. As you can see, they are not ordered alphabetically, but they are ordered based upon when's the last time that you used it / saved it. So that is how they are organized. As of right now, there's no way to search your projects. Obviously, if you have a lot of them, you'd have to scroll all the way down to the bottom and then use the Control F button in your browser and try to find the one that you would like to use. Okay, so that is how you would temporarily search for them. Now, how do you delete them? So it's if you click on this, you are able to delete it. You're also able to rename it. So if you need to rename it, you can click Rename. You can see that the cursor is alive up there, and you can change the name of it. All right, and then if you want to delete it, you simply click the Delete button. It says, "Are you sure?" You click on Yes, and now it is removed. So that is how you locate your project, save the project, save a copy of a project, all within Cricut Design Space.